Hey, what is up? It is your girl, MizzLeea, coming to you from MSW Custom Prints. And I know you guys are used to me making t-shirts and things of that nature. But today I'm just going to come on here and welcome you guys to my other website, ladygrind.com. And I just wanted to get on here and make my mask and let you guys know that you guys don't have to be spending no $25 for no blinged out studded mask, $35 for a blinged out studded mask. You guys can pull out y'all sewing machines that I know you guys have sitting around waiting to be used. Like myself, I haven't even touched a sewing machine since about 1997 when I was in high school. So just let you guys know, I don't want to say, my age or whatever, but just let you know, you ain't got to be spending a whole bunch of money. Just do this at home. For the people that don't have the time to do this, that's where I come in at. I'm offering these on my website at ladygrind.com, and I put my love into these masks. I'm not just making some old rinky dinky here, throw it on your face. I'm taking my time. I'm doing the stitching. I'm putting my love into it, to each and every single mask that's on here, and now with the government opening up the cities and whatever state you're in, however they're gonna do it. I'm out here in Washington. The CDC recommended that you wear some type of cloth mask on your face, when you're going out, especially like when you're going to be dealing with people, like shopping, going out where there's multiple people. I would still recommend that you go out protected. I mean, why not? Still, we don't know who's walking around with the coronavirus. We don't know who has what. So just that little extra protection that you can do while you're out by wearing a cloth cover, something, whatever, some type of protection for you, yourself, and your family members, or friends, or whoever you want that you feel need a mask. Make sure that they're going out protected, or at least protecting themselves from other people, or vice versa. They have the filters that you can put inside your mask for extra protection, but I've just, this is going to be my way of life. I'm going to be protected now, and our businesses are set to open next month, and I'm still preparing myself for this. Didn't know I was going to make a mask though, but here it is. I'm making masks, and like I said, if you guys want custom masks, I have plenty of material. Just hit me up, hit your girl MizzLeea up at www.ladygrind.com and place your order for your custom mask. As you can see, I'm not playing no games. This is serious business, and then my thing is, we don't know what's going to pop up next. We might have coronavirus mutation number 2, and then boom, you're stuck and you're going to be looking around for a mask and you're not going to have one. So my thing is, get ready so you ain't got to get ready. Don't rely on our government and our president to keep you informed, because look what type of job they did. A lot of people got started late, like myself. I got started late because I wasn't paying attention, but now I'm woke and I'm aware, and boom, there you have it. So again, I'm your girl, MizzLeea. If you need one of these masks, hit me up. I got them going out all day long. Orders ladygrind.com. Here's what it looks like, my finished product. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Peace out.